Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a cute card using the Storybook Life stamp set. This is from the online scrapbooking brochure. And we're going to be using the, what is this called? The Storybook Life Scrapbooking Workshop Kit. So there's different paper. The papers in here are almost the same as the designer series paper for the Storybook. I think it's called Garden, or what is it called? Storybook Moment Specialty Designer Series paper. Almost all of the paper in here is the same, but there are some sheets that are different, like this one with the strawberries on it. So we're going to be using this sheet, and on the back it's just white. And then we have this one, it's the plaid, but on the back is this coral color. This, I think in the regular designer series paper pack, is a different color. It's the same design, but a different color. And then we have this one, the plaid, and on this side is this design, and I think in the Storybook Moments, it's a different color. So there's some things that are a little different in this scrapbooking workshop kit. We have sticker sheets and die cuts in here, because this is for scrapbooking. So these are the die cuts, and this is the sticker sheet. I didn't use any of those. I just used the papers that I showed you. And there's also some what is it called? The cardstock that has two different colors on each side. It's the same color, but one side is dark, one side is a lighter version. I'm trying to get it out. I should have had this ready, but I wasn't thinking about it. So we have, like, this one is the gray. On the back side, if you can see, the two grays are a different color. So, and then it's a white core. Like if you rip it, the inside is white because it's not dyed all the way through. So these are some of the products we're going to be using. So let's go ahead and go over some buzzworthy business before we get started. We have our Inked Occasions Paper Pumpkin Kit. That's going to be making 9 cards. Berry Burst is going to be the stamping spot. And you're going to get this kit in this fancy designed box. We have the Hugs of Bloom Dies add-on for $12. That coordinates with April, May, and June paper pumpkin kits. The item number is 166238, and those are while supplies lasts. We have our March host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards. Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. And lastly, we have our mystery boxes. I still have quite a bit of mystery boxes left. I'm asking just $30 for each box. Shipping is included. It's stuffed with new and used, all retired Stampin' Up! Products, and it's the medium flat rate USPS priority mail box, okay? If you're interested, go aheed and email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com, all right? And that is all of our buzzworthy business for today, so let's get started on this project. We have a base here of Cherry Cobbler that is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And I'm going to burnish that down with my score tool. My bone folder rather, and then I have some basic white here that is 3.5 by 4 3/4. This is for our inside. I am not decorating it. It's just going to be for to write on. So let's go ahead and put that in our card, just like that. And I use the Stampin' Seal to do that. Okay, now we have some designer series papers here. I have one piece. This is 3.5 by 4. And then I have this piece that is 1.5 by 3 3/4. And this one is 5 1/4 by 2. And I'm using the Mojo Monday sketch number 507. And then I cut a little piece of this designer series paper. Actually, this one came from the Storybook Moments, but it's in the other one as well. But it's the little girl carrying, not a little girl, I just assume she's a female animal, carrying the strawberry on a platter. So then I have some basic white here. This is 3 by 2. This is what we're going to stamp on. And so we're going to get some Mossy Meadow ink. Ooh. This is a color I don't use often. And then we have our sentiment here that says Hello Spring. And we're going to ink that up. And I'm going to try to stamp this straight on here. Let's see if I can get that on there good. Let's see. Let me try again, because that looked a little crooked to me. Let's try one more time. Okay, it's still a little crooked looking, but we're gonna go with it. Okay, I forgot. I also have a piece of basic white here that is 5 1/4 by 4. So we're gonna go ahead and layer up our card. So we're gonna put this, let me see. Now we're gonna put this on here this way. So let's put some glue on here. And I'm gonna center this top to bottom, side to side. Or try to anyway. Okay. And then we're gonna take our strawberry paper and we're gonna put this one right along here on the side, like so. Whew. Trying to make it straight. And we're going to take this one. Look at this pretty plaid on the back. Let's see, which way do I want to put this one? I don't think it really matters, but I'm going to put this about right here, and I want to do it, try to center it up and down on this green. Okie doke, just about right there. Then we have our sentiment here. Yeah, that other side was a little more crooked. And we're going to put this about right here, like that. Then we're going to take our whole white layered piece and put this on the card base to make our card front. I'm going to put this right here, center that on. Then we're going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals to pop up our little image here that I fussy cut out ahead of time, because I don't need you guys sitting here forever watching me try to cut out this little image. That's why I do a lot of stuff ahead of time, because I want to be considerate of your time. I don't want to hold you here all day just to show you an idea. And I think I want to put this about right there. Then I have some of the antique pearls that come in this suite of products in the catalog. Not on the story, not on the, what is it? Scrapbooking brochure. Goodness, I can't talk. So we're going to add some of these on. I don't know why everything's looks a little crooked to me. I don't know. It might be. That might be why it looks crooked, because it might be crooked. Let's see. I want to add a couple of these down here. I don't know why. It just looks like that's what I needed to do. Let's see. Maybe I'll put one more. Since there are 3 sizes, I'll use one of these mediums. How about I put it right here? Just like that. And that is our card done. What do you think? Inside again is blank, but you can just add some designer series paper down there if you want, or just leave it blank. It's just to write your message. Hello, spring. I think that is super cute. I love these strawberries. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.